Alright, this is a rough first draft of my rig to flush my toilet with my well. This switch and these wires go to the pump. This hose also goes to the pump. You can't, wires and shit need hung better, so does the hose. But, as I flush the toilet, the ball goes down and pulls the switch. As the switch is pulled, it kicks the pump on, which there's a lot of hose here, so it takes a minute to start going. Put the cigarette out. And here comes the best part. As the ball starts to float back up, the linkage to the switch is also pushed up. The ball pushes the switch up and the hose stops. And it makes a lot of gurgling sound, but I can live with that.